Hey, all right. So I'm at the bandway under the gardener, and if you see over there, you have CN Tower, right? So we're gonna look around, and then this is the project, one of the many different projects I was work on, and now it's all done and it's available to public consumption, and it on the bandway website. You can scan it there, and I wonder who that is. So one of the things I did not realize, I'm in my 50s, and apparently I'm losing my hair. Anyhow, so we're gonna go see how all the other picture. So there you go. So there are 8 installation art piece part of the Pride Month in here in Toronto, LGBT inclusive community and all that. So it was part of the walk and holding performing art, and we have a diverse people who were performing. I was one of them, and we were telling the story of the LGBT with different people. So there you go. Now you have everybody, and we're gonna see a few more. There are 2 more here, there's another one here. I love this picture. It looked like she on the beach. And then you have the CN Tower. And that's it. And this is part of Walking and Holding. Rosanna, Cobb, and Kurt Lisa, I think that I pronounce it. So, ciao.
When the night has come and the land is up and the moon is the only light you see. No, I won't be
So
afraid.
that was the first take. It's emotional. So I have 2 people crying at the end. So we have a moment of intimacy and to share their life experience. And it's quite powerful.